Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question today with us where we need to find the value of this expression given to us. Yes. So how we can find the value of this expression? We don't need to calculate anything here. Neither we have to use BODMAS or any calculation. So how we can solve this without any calculation? Let's see. If you look carefully at this expression, you will find only two numbers in this expression. One is 243 and the other is 647. You will not find any other number apart from these two numbers. Yes. So I am assuming 243 as x and I am assuming 647 as y. So how we can rewrite this? See, this is x and this is y. So x plus y whole square. This will be x minus y whole square. This is x times x and this is y times y, correct? Now let's rewrite this expression in terms of x and y. If we rewrite this, we will get x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square upon x times x plus y times y, correct? Now, if you look carefully, we can use algebraic identity for these two brackets. For these two terms, we can use algebraic identity. So according to algebraic identity, this will be x square plus y square plus 2xy. Yes, you remember this algebraic identity, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, a minus b whole square will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. Correct? So this will be x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, x times x will be x square and y times y will be y square. Now look at the numerator. Numerator, these two terms can be cancelled out and x square is coming twice, y square is coming twice. So we can rewrite it as 2 times x square plus y square upon x square plus y square, correct? So as we can clearly see that these two terms can be cancelled out and we will be left with our final answer, that is 2. Yes, so this 2 will be our final answer. See, there is no need of any calculation or board mass, right? So is there any option which is matching our answer? Yes, C option is matching our answer. I hope you understood it well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.